Today's Bible verse comes from Matthew chapter 5, verse 5, King James Version. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Matthew chapter 5, verse 5, part of the Beatitude states, Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. This verse suggests that those who are gentle, humble, and submissive to God's will, rather than being arrogant or self-assertive, will be blessed by God and inherit the earth in a spiritual sense, possibly referring to inheriting God's kingdom, according to some Bible scholars. Meekness is not weakness, but rather controlled strength, surrendered to God's purpose. Here's the elaboration. Number 1. Meekness is not weakness. It's often confused with the being spineless or passive, but meekness in a biblical context is about having a humble and teachable spirit, not a lack of strength or resolve. Number 2, it's a matter of trust. Meek people trust in God's guidance and timing, rather than relying solely on their own power or ambition. Number 3, inheriting the earth. This phrase refers to the promise of inheriting God's kingdom, a spiritual inheritance rather than a literal one. Number 4, contrast with the world's values. The world often values arrogance, aggression, and self-promotion, but Jesus highlights the blessing of meekness, a quality that may not be appreciated by the world but is highly valued by God. Number 5, example of Jesus. Jesus himself is the ultimate example of meekness, as he was both powerful and gentle, submitting to God's will even in the face of suffering. Amen.